YouTube, back from another video. I'm finna be showing you how to clean your phone case. My phone's clean. I use this. You can go to any store and get it. Family Dollar, Dollar Store, Walmart, all kinds of places. I got this phone $1. If you go to Walmart, it costs like $4, $5. But it's the big account. But this is better. Don't lose glass cleaner because I can mess up your screen. I already did no, it will not mess it up, but it will just like ruin the phone. I lose this stuff. I don't know what's in it. I lose that. My phone's clean and it comes with a rag. Dirty because of the phone. Let me just set this in my new phone holder. Alright. First one, you're gonna lose this. You're just gonna wanna put like something in it. And I got a new bandana. It's an American flag one. You just wanna keep spraying this. Make sure y'all can see. Oh my gosh, all this stuff is not. I do it on the floor because it's better. Like, you're just gonna wanna. Oh gosh, sorry guys, I fell. Can't know what to do. You're just gonna wanna keep spraying it with the stuff I showed you. I'm gonna keep spraying it with this. I think it's running out. So now just take one at a time. One at a time and clean it off. So I'm gonna basically start this first. Just gonna wanna clean this off. Just keep cleaning it until it's done. Sorry, God. I keep like bumping into the camera holder. It's making me mad. I got a new camera holder. I'll tell you that in my one video. Got bumped. Oh, something. I'm giving it away. Alright, just like keep cleaning it. Just keep cleaning it. Rub it. Alright, this is done. So just let that dry out. But if you got like a bottle like this, you can just put glass cleaner in it. But this got like some other stuff in it when I got it. I leave it like that. This is to clean your case. You want to make sure this part's open when you do it too. That. Make sure it's open like that. Let's try that too. Just keep wiping. Hey, and you guys gave me 116 views on live. Thank you guys so much for that views. I got all the views on my Don't Play This Game. Check that out. I'm sure you guys like that video too. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and comment and like all my videos. Yeah, and then just when I dries out, see how there's like dust in there if you can't tell. I'll blow it out. I'll use a blow dryer. I won't use that. Just keep doing that. Yeah, but you don't want to leave it wet because if you put your phone, it can get inside your phone and mess it up. Alright, you're just gonna want to blow one more time. And then spray one more time on the top. See if it's closed now? Just spray one more time. And then just this. So next is the case itself. So it's iPad. You can tell you can see the water. Just come off. Clean it out, easy. And oh yeah, my friend, I'm gonna do a shout out as well right now while I'm doing this. Shout out to Riley Adams. Check her channel out. She does musicals. She does she don't do gaming that much. She just loves Joker, Harley Quinn, and all that and stuff. Batman. Another shout out to Fist Killer 216. He does gaming. He vlogs. And he's funny. He does lots of videos too. Another shout out to Miguel Arroyo. He does lots of live streaming and gaming. My sister Harley Quinn. Do a shout out to PewDiePie, Roman Atwood, Dashie, FaZe Apex, FaZe Adapt, FaZe Rain, FaZe Rug, FaZe, I forgot the rest. But I only know half of FaZe, I don't know. FaZe Banks, FaZe Blaziken, I think I said it, I don't know. And check out, crap, I forgot his channel. Check out Markiplier's and Jacksepticeye channel. Give shout outs to them. I'm getting a new phone case. Anyways, I think it's gonna be red. I think it's gonna be a lacrosse phone case. A lacrosse one if they have it, or American flag one, or a red, blue. I don't know. I don't not know what it's gonna be. Alright. So I'm gonna take it out this thing real quick. So once you're all done with that, see, I'm gonna add the phone case now. I just put the phone case on. Add this part. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I put it on the wrong way. There we go. Save. Just clean everything. Just cleaned it. Might look a little dark because I'm adding the phone case back on here. Yeah, guys, that's basically it for today's video. One more thing, I'm gonna tell you: lose this or get this if you want. You can put Windex cleaner in here. I suggest just lose. If you have like a bottle like this and it's like empty or something, like a candy spray bottle, clean it out. Just put. I'll show you what it looks like. Well, this is what it looks like. So you know how like the got the little spray sour thingies? They got like the little spray candies they spray in your mouth. Just like clean them out. Just see what it looks like inside. It's bubbly. It's only cost $1. Oh yeah. I got some gold headphones too. I'll show you right here. They may look yellow in the thingy. They're actually gold. You can get these customized. I got mine customized too. What you do is I'll show you how to do this. These are like a different color. These were I didn't customize these. These were like already like that. I customized like a different pair, but I customized these ones right here. I just add like a little bit of, I just feel like cause it was like a little bit gold come off, so I just polished it like with some, you know, like that clear stuff that you use like for the I don't know what it's called, but I cleared it right here so it won't be dirty. I have the container too. Yeah, and then I'll show you the other stuff I have in here. I have this too. Got some stink bombs. I only have one more left. I gotta get it out of the containers. Oh my gosh. It says make it a little bit clear. Is it zoomed in? Oh yeah, it's zoomed out. I probably can read it now. It's just like I have bomb bags, fart bags too, where you just squeeze it. Should automatically pop. Right here. I'll bring this to school one day. Use it. Like tomorrow. Hold up, I'm gonna put it back in the case. In the case. It's right there. I'm gonna shoot this out real quick. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys comment down below, subscribe, and like all my videos. Yeah, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like all my videos, and comment. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Thanks for all the support, and yeah, thank you guys. Bye.